Hello everyone, my name is Jun Wang. My research project is TomTom data science for incident and traffic management. In addition, I have developed a web application which allows you to interact with my data analysis results. The application can be accessed through this link, tomtom-data-analysis.herokuapp.com. Everyone is welcome to visit and explore it. Okay, let me introduce my project. In this project, I will use the traffic data provided by TomTom to show the traffic situation across Australia. Through some visual chart, we can quickly identify areas with severe traffic congestion, so as to focus on solving these problems. Next, we will select some area for in-depth data analysis to have a more comprehensive understanding of this traffic congestions. By analyzing traffic data, we can get more details, such as the cause of congestion, peak period, and the duration of congestion. This will help us to develop a targeted solution to meet the traffic challenges in different regions. Firstly, I will talk about the data source. The data source used in this research project is traffic flow data provided by TomTom. This data provides detailed records of traffic flow from October 17 to December 9, 2022. And from November 30 to December 9, there are complete data for every 15 minutes at 96 time points each day. The following table provides a detailed explanation of each field in the data. For the data, TomTom records the average speed and the relative speed of one or more vehicles traveling on a road segment belonging to a specific open code at a specific time point. At the same time, it also predicted the road conditions for the next 45 minutes. This information is recorded as a piece of data, including fields such as the time when the record was generated, open hour location code, road segment length, future minutes, observation points length, average speed, travel time, trustworthiness level, traffic conditions, and the relative speed. If there is no real data source at a certain time point for an open area location code, TomTom will fill in default data for this location. The purpose of doing so is to ensure continuity and the completeness of the data and provide us with a more comprehensive and continuous perspective when analyzing traffic flow and conditions. And then this is the main result of my project. TomTom Data QGIS visualization, top 10 most congested road segments in Australia, and comprehensive data analysis for specific road segment. For the first result, QGIS is an open source GIS software which is widely used in the editing, processing, and analysis of geographic data. QGIS supports the import of multiple data formats, including geographical data in delimited text and the duplicated format. In order to visualize TomTom's data in QGIS, we first need to convert the GPS data in TomTom's data into duplicated format. The result of the visualization is the distribution of all roads contained in TomTom's data on the map. In this way, we can clearly see the specific location of each road. The visualization results provide the basis for our subsequent data analysis and the identification of congested road sections. By viewing the map, we can clearly understand which area have richer road data, and we can also have a preliminary understanding of which area they may have traffic congestions. In our analysis, we select all the data points containing traffic information in TomTom data. Our goal is to find the 10 most congested roads in Australia. So we will focus on the traffic condition field in the data. which provides information about the traffic situation of the certain road at a specific time point. Our statistical method mainly includes two steps: calculate the number of the times each road reports conditions, and then find the 10 roads with the most reported condition. Specifically, we first process data through Python, calls each OpenLR and calculate the number of the congestions reported by each OpenLR. We define congestion as a traffic status report in the traffic condition field. Then we sort according to the number of the traffic jams reported on each road and find the 10 roads with the most traffic jams reported. In addition, I also draw a daily bubble chart for a week based on the number of the congestions across Australia. Through this bubble chart, we can observe the congestions trend on weekdays and weekends. These results can help us understand the changes in traffic congestions throughout Australia week in a week, and can also provide a reference for the future adoptions of different traffic management measures for different time periods. Next, I choose two sections as an example of comprehensive analysis. The first is a short single section, which is city road next to the UC. This is also one of the 10 most congested sections in Australia. This section is only 340 meters, but in our data, uh, city road is marked as a heavy traffic basically every day. In speed histogram, we can also see within 7 days of our analysis, the speed limit of 50 km per hour records does not exceed 38 km per hour. Moreover, through the time speed profile, the low speed interval of these road sections is much longer than that of other sections. We can compare with this complex section of Canberra. The total length is 3,400 meters, involving 3 streets, 2 speed limits, and 1 skew sections. Through the speed histogram, we can see that the speed is concentrated at 30, 31, and 32 km per hour. And then, according to this chart, we can see that the interval below 30 km per hour can be judged that the congestion time of this whole complex sections is from 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. and from 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. At the same time, according to the speed and time profile, it can also clearly distinguish the difference between the traffic flow on weekdays and weekends. And through this 3D view, we can also distinguish the different speed limits of different sections of the whole sections. At the same time, you can also see that the whole part begin with real data records from 7:30 a.m. to 9 p.m. In summary, this project utilizes the TomTom's traffic data to conduct comprehensive research on traffic management in Australia. Through visualizations and analysis, we gained valuable insights into the traffic conditions in different regions. We identified the most congested sections in Australia and analyzed the construction trends throughout the week. Additionally, we conducted in-depth data analysis on specific sections in Sydney and Canberra, examining speed histogram, speed time profiles, and 3D time speed distinguished profiles. A web application was also developed to display detailed information about many road sections in TomTom data. This is all I want to share about my research project. Thank you for listening.